Varun says lectures are the best. He explains concepts in such a way that even a person from a non-finance background can easily understand it. My name is Aditya. I am basically from Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu. I have cleared CA intermediate exam and I have recently passed US CMA exam also. Miles books are comprehensive. It covers all the concepts. I think it is more than enough to score high marks. LMS is also very useful. It's an all-in-one platform where we can get books, lectures, solve MCQs, and we can solve essays, and we can also book mentoring sessions. Solve MCQs on a daily basis. Be consistent. Try to solve a lot of MCQs before the exam, like at least 1 week before the exam, so that you can get used to that time and you can solve MCQs very quickly. CMA Matlab Miles.